What's up, and what's your girl on the movie? We're back with another video, and I am on lunch, and I have leftover. Right now I have a 30-minute lunch, so I gotta be back on the clock at 2:15. And today it is Monday, October 13th, and it's 1:49 p.m. That time be flying, y'all. But I have some leftover beans and a sausage because my kids, they went back and forth instead of leaving the fish for the rest of the fish for tomorrow. They went ahead and ate all the fish. And you know, I gotta have some meat with my food. I cannot have no just beans and rice. And I took this right here before my birth, so I don't have no heartburn, so I ain't got no Sprite, just water. I don't know. Your brother's fixing your food now. I always want to eat some of my food. Jay, where our food and our sausages at? You need to go on the table. So I'm making this an 8-minute video for you guys. 1:51. Like, time is passing by so fast. Right. Trying to find that part, y'all. It's so hard. Because I don't want to go back to a 2-bedroom where my kids be piled up in one room again. And a lot of people like, why didn't you give my boys my room instead of making my living room? And I should have made my living room my room instead of my boys' room. One, I need my privacy as well. Nobody comes to my house at all, so I don't have to worry about nobody like coming in like, oh, this is your kids' room, cause I don't have no company. Like, I tell you not. Like, I'm a very private person. I deal with who I deal with, and like mostly I go to their house or whatever. Hardly nobody comes to my house. But I have one friend that comes to my house and stuff, and that's it. She don't judge or nothing. She's real cool. I love her. But we haven't been having no time to like chill. Cause her work schedule and my work schedule And then by me about to be back at Amazon. It's like we really don't have no time like to chill. And y'all, I've been stressing out because even though I want to do this intervention with company, they give me more time. And here until I find something else or come up with the money to pay my rent. After these people could take my money and it's like we still want her out of this our apartment complex. And then I'm with no money, nowhere to go, because I'm broke. I have me losing my work from home job because I have nowhere to no private internet or nowhere to go to do my work from home job. And two, if I had to move back to Louisiana or Mexico where my sister and my mama's at, I would have to I would end up losing Amazon, my part-time job. So it's like, man, can't win for losing, you know. It's like I get knocked down 10 times worse. And like, if you new to here, if you haven't watched all of my other channels videos, go ahead, start from the very beginning when I was in Mississippi all the way until when I moved to Texas and everything like that. Like, go ahead and watch that so you can know who I am, so you don't have to like be quick to like judge. Like, go ahead and see, look, because basically my YouTube channel is my story. Like, I feel more comfortable like telling my story, and because I'm just recording on the camera. And like with here, I don't, by me not having that many followers as much, I'm not getting as many hates as I would Facebook. I haven't been on Facebook for a while. I post here and there, but I'm starting to grow out of Facebook. And I'm also on TikTok, Lemonade. But I post like pictures on Lemonade, not really too much videos, whatever. You want what? And TikTok, my first TikTok got banned. Well, I guess you said banned, because they kicked me off because they thought I was 13 years old, even though I verified my information. They deleted that page, so I had to start back off. So right now I'm at 400 subscribers on TikTok. The name of my TikTok is the same thing as my YouTube, Aloni Marie. I think Lemonade is the same thing, I'm not sure. But I've made it to 9 minutes in this video. But if you want to get to know me, like I said, go back to future past videos. Stay tuned and stuff like that. I am comparing to you guys. I wanted to let you know. I know I made a video said I had quit smoking, but I am back. But knowing that I can quit on my own cold turkey, I know that once I get over this hurdle, I can go back and stop smoking cigarettes again. Just a lot of things that going through my mind and my life right now, so I went back to smoking cigarettes. But don't judge me, judge your man. I'm just playing. Don't talk about your mama. Your mama is respect no matter what she did. Don't talk about your mama. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you know every time your girl drops a what? Banger! And to all my new M warriors, thank you for joining the gang. Until next time, it's your girl Lonnie Marie signing out. Peace out.